To do tasks on SproutGigs, follow these steps. Sign up and log in. Go to SproutGigs and click Sign up to create an account. Provide your email address, username and password, then confirm your email to complete registration. Once registered, log into your SproutGigs account. Access available tasks. On the dashboard, click on Find Jobs to view the list of available tasks. You can filter tasks by category and location to find jobs suited to you. Choose and complete tasks. Select a task that interests you by clicking on it to see the instructions and requirements. Follow the provided steps carefully. Gather any required proof as specified by the task. Submit proof. After completing the task, submit the requested proof to the platform's form. Ensure your submission is accurate and complete to avoid rejection. Get paid. Once the employer reviews and approves your work, you will receive payment in your SproutGigs wallet. You can withdraw earnings via payment methods like PayPal, AirTM or crypto once you reach the minimum payout threshold.